Hey friends, welcome back to our channel and welcome if you're new. I'm Angie, and in today's video we're going to be working on an outdoor project. We have had tons of rain, and so I want to get the space ready for the summer season, and I'm going to just be planning the space, what I need to do out here. Not doing a lot of the heavy work. I'm just going to see what kind of flowers I want out here, go shopping for flowers and get those planted so they can get some of that glorious rain. I'll also be giving you an update on Annabelle. She is our lab. She's been a little bit under the weather, but she is doing great now, and I'm going to give you an update on her. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll link the video down below of where I talk about what she went through and all that if you want to catch up on that. And then at the end of the video, I want to share with you our new pet that has just joined our home. So it should be a fun video, and I hope that you will stay and join us. Annabelle still has her cone of shame on. Hopefully she will get it off today. She's doing so much better, and her ear looks great. So hopefully that comes off today. We've had to keep it on there so she won't scratch at her ear and get it infected again. So I'll keep you posted on that when that comes off, but that'll be a fun thing to get rid of. Today we're going to be working outside on our patio space, and I'm not doing any of the heavy work today like pressure washing and cleaning, although this patio really needs it. I'm not going to work on that today. I'm going to focus on buying flowers and just getting those planted. I got these at Walmart a couple years ago, and they were a red, bright red color, and I just spray painted them black, and they have held up really well out here. And this is my mum that I planted, and it's looking great, and actually it's gonna bloom. So I'm just gonna get some flowers to fill in the empty spaces here. The creeping Jenny's looking good. Just needs to be cleaned out and refreshed a little bit. And then this one over here, well, this is my hydrangea. I put it in this pot, and it has done so well out here, and it's getting ready to bloom. And I usually keep it under the pergola so that it gets a little bit of shade, but it loves it out here, and I love having it on the patio for the extra color, and I just love hydrangeas. In this pot, same thing. The mum's getting ready to bloom. The creeping Jenny's doing great. This is another mum that's doing good. And then I think I already shared my carrots that I did. But they are looking good. I might add some more of that carrot tape to see if I can grow a few more and start a few more pots of carrots. That carrot tape is so easy to use. So I may do that, but then let me show you the real star of the show on this patio. Is this jasmine. I love this area so much, and when this jasmine blooms, it just makes the yard smell so wonderful, and it just makes the space so inviting. So I'm going to get this area, make it a little bit more inviting with the flowers. The jasmine has already made it inviting. And you know, I'm not even going to cut this. I'll probably just kind of fold it up in there so it's not hanging down as much. But I just love it when it's just wild and just growing everywhere. I have cut it back in the past, and then the area where I cut it turns brown. So I'm just going to let it do whatever it's going to do for this season, and then afterwards maybe cut it back. But I wanted to share that with y'all because it is such a beautiful plant. It grows fast. So if you're looking for something that you want to climb on a structure, jasmine's the way to go. So let's get this area decorated, get some flowers out here, and get this space working for the spring season so that we can enjoy it. I am looking for plants that do well in full sun, and the garden center did not disappoint. They had so many options to choose from, and it was a little bit difficult to narrow down what I wanted. But I usually go with a green and white color palette. I use this year after year, and it does not disappoint. I love the simplicity of green and white, and I like to add a little bit of variegation in there to just give it a little texture and depth. But I did find some plants, and all I wanted was to just fill in the bare spots of this flower pot. So I ended up picking up a Kimberly Queen fern, which does extremely well in our hot sun, as long as you get them established before it gets really hot outside. I also bought some vinca vine. I love this. I love the variegation of it. And this serves as the spiller in my containers because it just cascades over the side. I also picked up these little white flowers. I cannot remember the name of them, so if you know what these are called, please leave me a comment below and let me know. I think they're in the geranium family, but I just love the little white petite flowers on them. I think they will be beautiful in this space to just add that pop of white. Came back a few days later and added a white geranium to each of these pots, and this is what they look like after about 3 weeks of planting them. They have filled out so nicely, and the mums are blooming. I love the beautiful pop of orange along with the white and the different color greens, and they just really love it in this spot, and I love how they're filling out. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for, the newest pet to join our home. The girls wanted a betta fish, and when I saw these fish at the pet store, it took me back to my 20s, and that was a time that my co-workers gave me one of these betta fish for a birthday present. And I think now they're all the rage again, and the girls wanted to get one to have as a pet. We did acclimate him to the water before we put him in, but he has been a fun little addition to the sunroom. That's where we're keeping him right now. He may move to one of the girls' rooms a little bit later, but we have really enjoyed watching him just swim around. He is a beautiful red color, and it's just been a fun addition to add him to our home. This fish does not have a name yet, and this is where you come in, and we would really appreciate your help. Please put all of your favorite and best names for a fish in the comments below, and then we will go through them and figure out which one we like the best, and then let you know what we name him in a future video. So put all of your best recommendations in the comments below, and we would very much appreciate you helping us name this little fish. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. It helps out our channel so much. And be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I look forward to seeing y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.